setting up the targets right now. Woo-hoo! It is 8:08, December 1st, 2010. This is the Criminal Justice Club, and we're having a blast. Oops, let me zoom this out. Oh, no, that's my, you can see the whole entire back of the phone. This type of phone sucks because the back falls off. It literally does not fit on the phone for any phone ever created by this. I talked to another person who has the same exact phone. Her back does not go on. It does not fit.
Friday, if you buy a Windows phone for $199.99, you get another one free. $199.99.
Well, I need that $199.99. I'm broke, zero, but this is my upgrade. How sad is this?
I just got like a message saying that my call tone, my answer tone or whatever, is going to run out in like 2 days.
Yeah.
I've never had a phone long enough for my answer tone to run out. Like, they run out.
40 cows.
It's pretty cool.
What do you expect from her?
Should I YouTube this,
Facebook
this, or what?
Do you have YouTube?
I'm thinking of something on Facebook. This is what I do for Criminal Justice
It
Club.
was on her baby.
We need to do this. F it.
Just gonna upload pictures of you chit-chat? Or video of chit-chat?
You've done it
Alright. This is what we're going to shoot next.
Awesome.
Automatic
Stop, baby.
things about it. As I said, with